Going on YouTube? This is BXBomber718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I have the Lenovo Legion Y700 gaming tablet. That's right, the Lenovo Legion Y700 gaming tablet. This thing came all the way from Hong Kong. I purchased it from a website called giztop.com for $429.99 plus tax. This actual device comes with an 8.8-inch 2K LCD screen that's TUV Rhineland certified. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 platform with the octa-core processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of SSD storage. It has an 8 megapixel front-facing camera and a 13 megapixel rear camera. It has a 6,550 mAh battery, which has support for Quick Charge 3.0. And it uses the ZUI 13, which is a skinned interface or UI that is skinned on top of Android 12. All right. So hopefully they'll be able to upgrade this to Android 13 over time. I don't know. We'll see. Also, another thing to note from this website, this is actually a Chinese version that has been flashed with the global ROM, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. All right. Also, this has supports Face Unlock, it has Bluetooth 5.1, dual band Wi-Fi, and in the box it comes with a tablet, one cable, one charger, US, and one manual. All right. So I've been eyeing this for some time, looking at several tech sites. I've been yearning for it to come to the US, and it didn't seem like that was going to happen. So I found a reseller online that actually sells it straight from mainland China, and before they deliver it to you, they flash it with a global ROM, which I think is cool. It shipped pretty quickly. It shipped within maybe 5 days. I chose the expedited shipping, so that allowed me to get it within 5 days from mainland China to here, going through customs and everything like that, which I thought was pretty quick. I think I paid maybe $20-something for the expedited shipping, but it was worth it because it got here pretty quickly. All right. Also, if you take a look at it, you can see a couple of scuff marks on the plastic, but it has the signature LEGION. All right, Lenovo badge or logo over here, and the Legion badge logo over here. Okay, let me show you something else in the back. I'm gonna cover up all the sensitive information. But in the back, there's normally a seal, right, from tape. As you can see, that was cut, and that was done intentionally by the reseller, so that way they can take the device out and flash it with the global ROM. All right. But in the back, you can see it says Lenovo. It has this in Chinese here, 8.8 LCD, some more Chinese JBL speakers, but in Chinese. Gives you some information about the battery, but again in Chinese, and some information about the media, but it's in Chinese. It does say Android here, Qualcomm Snapdragon, Dolby Vision, and Atmos, and sound by JBL. All right. There's also a seal on the right side where my hand is at, but I can't lift it because you'll be able to see all the sensitive information. However, that also was cut to get access to the device, so that way it could be flashed. Okay. All right. So on the bottom and on the sides, there's really nothing there. Just nothing there. So nothing to phone home about. I'm gonna take this plastic off. All right, the front looks good, as you can see. All right, since it's already been pre-cut, I'll go ahead and just lift it up. All right, here's the device right here. It still has the plastic on it, which is good. All right, let's see. All right, so now we are presented with this insert. I do not read Chinese, so I'm not sure. I think it may just be a quick start guide. It shows me how to put a memory card in, it looks like, how to power it on, how to charge it. Just let me know different parts of the device. It does say USB-C right here. At least I can read that. But it's a little insert. I guess it's a quick start guide. So that's what that is there. All right. Interesting. You see it has a cutout here. It looks like it's for a phone. That's very fascinating. And for the record, I plan on getting the Lenovo Legion Y70, which is a phone that complements the aesthetics of this device as well. So I plan on getting that phone in white. to go with my Lenovo Legion 5. But it looks like they're using the same cardboard. Interesting. Okay, well, let's move this up out the way. All right, and this is what we're greeted with next. So I'm going to go ahead and pull on these tabs. This one shows a logo for the charger. This one shows for a cable and documentation. All right, so let me pull the charger one out first. I like the feel of this material right here. It feels like a nice soft touch cardboard material. Okay, let's open this up here. All right, so this is a 50-watt charger. 50-watt charger. Interesting, it has USB Type A and Type C. That's cool. And it says Lenovo right here. All right, I like that. All right, and nothing else in there, so let's close that up. You're gonna put it back. Okay, next. Let's pull this up here. So I think this is some documentation. All right, so there is a pin here, and I'm sure this is for the micro SD card slot. I don't think this has a cellular radio in it, but if it does allow me to add additional storage, I definitely will. What I'm using this for, I didn't need the one with 12 gigs. 8 gigs was fine. Just needed it for like reading some books on the tablet, some web browsing, YouTube viewing, some research, and that's about it. So this is a guide all in Chinese. So I have no clue what this says because I do not read Chinese. And here's an insert also in Chinese. This might be a safety guide or something like that. I'm not sure. If somebody in here can read Chinese, please put in the comments what this says because I have no clue. See that? I have no clue what that says. Also here. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this back. All right. And we have a USB Type C. Sure is a charge and sync cable. Okay, it says Lenovo on it. All right. And this feels like it might be a 3.3 foot cable. All right. And I think that's about it in regards to accessories and documentation. So we're going to put all of this back. Yes, right way. Put this back. All right. Okay, so let's move this aside. We do still have the pin injection tool, so I'm gonna keep that aside. All right, and the device is still in the plastic, which is cool. All right, let's go ahead and slide this out. All right, and this is what we're greeted with. All right, so let's take a look around the device. Okay, so on the left side, we have a speaker and we have a 3.5 millimeter headset jack. On the top, we have a volume rocker, power, and then some kind of lock mechanism, I think. Okay. All right, on the other side, we have a Type C charger and data sync port with another speaker. So it has 2 speakers, which is cool. It also says Dolby, if you can see that, it says Dolby Vision and Atmos. Okay. On the bottom, we don't have anything, but this we can eject this out right here and add more storage to it. Okay. And on the back, let me cover the sensitive information. On the back, we have Legion, and on this at the bottom, it says Lenovo. This is a storm gray aesthetic or styling or color scheme. And then we have our camera up here with flash. Right, it's a single camera lens with flash. Okay, and then at the top here we have a front-facing shooter. Okay. All right, so I like it. It feels light, but it feels very premium, which I like. I think this is a great size for reading, which is the main thing that I got it for, researching, web browsing, and stuff like that, because, you know, your phone is only but so big, but this 8.8 inch is perfect. Perfect, man. They need to bring these sizes back in the US. Everything is 11 inches, 12, 13 inches. So, but anyway, let's go ahead and see if it has any juice and try to power it on. Oh, there we go. As you can see, it's in English, Legion. At the bottom it says powered by Android. All right, so it has Saturday, August 27th on it. It says here, connect to open Wi-Fi living room speaker. So I guess whoever flashed it connected it to a previous living room speaker connection. But it also has a multi-language pack from what they put on the Giztop website. I'm sure they put English on here already. They preloaded it with the English language pack. If not, I can always do that. But there's the first boot. Let me see if I can get into it. Yep. And here we are. So again, this does look like it does have the Play Store, so it may have came with the global ROM, or they may have side-loaded it. I'm not sure, but either way, they do have that there. As you can see, there's still some Chinese stuff right there. But yeah, this is what we're working with now. All right, go this way. Okay, so all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get busy on this, and I'll play around with it, try it out. But again, it feels very premium. There's no creaking. It's very solid. It feels like a metal composite. Not 100% sure what it is, but that's what it feels like. It does have dual stereo speakers, which I do like. Dolby Vision and Atmos. I was just so excited to order and get this that I have it now. So there you go. So if you guys have any questions, comments, input, want to contribute to this unboxing video, leave your comments below. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can see when we go live or when we have new videos posted, as well as hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and share this video everywhere. All right, so yeah, I got it fresh in my hands. One of the few reviewers in the US with this device. I also have the Y700 very soon as well, so stay tuned for that video. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.